please stay safe. Let's now cross over to Mathare, where Beldin Waliaula is currently. Good afternoon to you, Beldin. Earlier on, we saw police engaging in running battles right there, and it was not as it is in Kibra. Maybe you can bring us to speed on what's going on right there.
Hello, we are here at Mathare at the moment where we are having youths rioting. They're hurling stones at the police officers who are trying to stop them from entering the main road, that is Juja Road. And right now the atmosphere is full of tear gas. We are currently choking at the moment. But as you can see, those are the youths trying to access Juja Road to find their way to town. But they have been stopped by the police officers who are manning this area. So it's just a back and forth between them and the police officers, where they're throwing stones and the police officers are trying to push them back by hurling tear gas at them. So it's a back and forth that we're witnessing here in Juja Road, here in Mathare area. So we are hoping to see that hopefully it will end soon, but at the moment it's not ending anytime soon, because it has been this way since morning till now. And we're trying just to be safe as we record this, or as we bring you live pictures here from Mathare. So the youths are still unrelenting, because they want to come to the main road and head towards town, but they're still being pushed away by the police officers. So what you're seeing is just the live pictures of the youths who are rioting, throwing stones towards us and the police officers who are standing on the other side of the road, and they're not relenting anytime soon. So they're even trying to get hold of the tear gas that are being thrown at and returning back to the police officers. So it's kind of just mimicking what happened last Monday, where you saw the youth rioting, and the number of the youth rioting is not that large. Quite a few number of, I can say up to 50 boys and a few ladies among the group trying to make their way. So they are coming towards the road. When they get here, they're pushed back. So that's what we're witnessing at the moment. But we're hoping that, wow, there's a stone coming. We're hoping that we'll keep safe as we do this, as we bring you live pictures. But at the moment, we are trying to stay safe from this unrelenting youth who are rioting. I'm kind of scared, but these are live pictures coming from Mathare, with the youths trying to throw stones. They're coming fast, thick and fast. And back to you in studio. Wow.
Beldin, please stay safe, and ugly scenes right there in Mathare, where youth are engaging in running battles with police, trying to throw stones and, force their way through the Juja Road and probably to the Nairobi CBD. Remember, police have tried to block the roads leading to the central business district, and therefore these are just youth in Mathare trying to engage with police. Tear gas right there, and as our team is on the ground for us, they are trying to capture those live scenes from Mathare that's here in Nairobi. And this is contrary to what we've seen in Kibra. But again, even what was witnessed last week on Monday, police officers were trying to prevent any protesters from making their way into the Nairobi CBD, and seems that this again is repeating itself. So please, Beldin and the team, stay safe. And all right, let's now cross over to Migori, where business premises in the town remained closed as Azimio supporters poured to the streets of Migori town and barricaded the